Get your tail, Shoga. Get that tail.
I go left. I give me one. You go left.
Get your tail. Get your tail.
If you get dizzy.
Get your tail. Get it. Get your tail. Get it.
Girl, Shoga, get it. Get it. Get your tail. Get your tail. Get your tail.
She is the champion of tail getting. Tail chasing, she is a pro. And walking with her tail. Oh my god, this dog is hilarious. I know. We could make millions. Oh. Oh. Shoga, you're stinking cute. I hope this camera is catching her growling.
Oh my gosh, she hasn't really let it go, you know?
Nope, she's still going. This dog is so stinking cute.
Girl, Shoga. Girl.
You got your tail.
What are you gonna do with the tail? What are you gonna do with the tail? You gonna take it home? Take it home. Like how our ears split.
She's so angry, she wants her tail.
She already has a tail.
What's that cat's name? The one you just had?
Maru.
You should make a Shoga.
Shoga and her tail chasing ways.
She's ridiculous in anything she does. She has like so much personality.